नमस्कार, आपले स्वागत आहे तांबडेज फार्म ॲडवाईसमध्ये. आणि आजचा विषय आहे
Welcome friends. Today we are discussing the concept of innovative kitchen gardening. In that, big pots taken for filling the materials. In that pots, big plants, especially the solanous plants like brinjal, tomato, chili, we plant. And at lower sides there is a leafy vegetables, fenugreek, corianders, and like that leafy vegetables we are planted here. Also we see that the brinjal is growing upper sides and lower side of that pots, that means at base level there is a leafy vegetable sowing. And through that methods these pots are kept on stand in front of house or back sides of house or upper sides of house, and we can produce the vegetables required for our family by organic way. This is innovative methods of kitchen gardenings. We can also plant some flowers in the pots, and at lower sides at base levels there is a leafy vegetables, we can harvest it. This is the innovative methods, everybody can like it.
व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि कमेंट करून सांगा तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला.